boys and girls. Welcome to week 3 of our learning packet. The first thing we're going to do today is watch a video all about insects. That's what we're going to be learning about this week is different insects. So what we're going to do right now is watch the video, and then I'm going to tell you how we're going to do this main idea worksheet here when we're done watching the video. It might be helpful while you're watching the video to take some notes about some things that you learned in the video.
Okay, here is the real list of things all insects have in common. First of all, they are small. Now, different insects are different sizes, but compared to other insects that are small, there's all one. It's good that insects are small. fast and fly to be on the catch. But it's not just grasshoppers. All insects have the ability to move quickly. Insects not only in their hives, they also catch fish and variety. Literally, the brains of insects are very simple. Insects don't need rocks like we. They have automatic their little brains have programmed responses to situations that they face. That means if a mosquito bites you, remember the mosquito is the mosquito is a fish and unlike a person, insects can't see. The mosquito communicates in its through the air. This is why insects are so critical. It breaks already have a great responses to everything that happens. We hope you are having a lot of fun. Now we are going to look at several different types of insects and learn even more facts about these fascinating creatures. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. First, let's look at beetles. Here is a ladybug, one of the most popular types of beetles. While a lot of people don't like your average beetle, it's quite a natural who doesn't like ladybugs, right? Ladybugs, like other beetles, have front wings that form a hard case that almost looks like a shell. Ladybugs might look innocent, but they can be insect eating machines. A single ladybug can eat as many as 5,000 other insects in its lifetime. Wow! Here is another beetle called the stag beetle. The stag beetle has huge jaws and is a beetle that sometimes resembles other stag beetles. Does it look like a wrestler? The stag beetle is obviously looking at the ladybug. Next, we are going to look at the flower. You don't know birds. Like a pollen, flowers can be very annoying insects. They do have jobs that are pollen flowers and recycling animals. Yeah, you heard that right. One of the flies, the one would be a much smaller place. It's true. They might be annoying, but they are important. Well, this is interesting. Wasps, ants, and beetles are all part of the same group of insects. The bodies they are very similar in a lot of ways, but they're also very different. Unlike beetles, wasps can come in just about any color. Wasps are very helpful to farmers because they control pests. Without wasps, much of our food supply would be ruined by other insects. If you see a wasp, make sure you get its face. Wasps are not afraid to sting, especially if you're frightened. But if you leave them alone, they don't bother you. They are hunters, but they don't like hunting humans. Next, we have ants. They are known for those skills they know how to test. There are ants in each colony that have wings. Not all ants have wings, but some of them do. And actually have wings on a special job, so they need colony to settle them down. Ants have a terrible eyesight. They have an amazing sense of smell. That's how they find food so easily. Ants are pretty cool. Finally, we have bees. They are known for making honey, which in some lives really they make it for themselves to get through the air. Not all bees make honey. Bees like the bumblebee don't make honey, but they do pollinate flowers. They are so productive. Like wasps, bees need to be left alone to do their job, and they feel ready. Some types of bees like singing. There are so many other types of insects. We're not even going to talk about all of them. Remember, 85% of the entire animal kingdom is made up of insects. But as for some of the things all insects have in common. There are some of the things all insects have in common. They are small. They all have 6 things that all insects have are the world of insects. If you want to go outside, how do insects get into the farm? They walk all around perfect coordinated swarm of better place. Whether it's a butterfly or a wasp, or a bee or an ant, there are thousands of insects all around us. We will usually learn about them next time.
Okay, boys and girls. So now what we're going to do is talk about the main idea and details of that video. So if you need to, you can go back into this video and you can watch that video again. You're going to write first the main idea. So what was that video teaching us all about? And then you're going to give me 3 details. 1, 2, 3, telling me what are 3 things that you learned about what the video was about. So, for example, if we were watching a video about butterflies and it was telling us about the life cycle of a butterfly, the main idea might be the life cycle of a butterfly. And your 3 details are going to be 3 pieces of information that tell me about butterflies. So I want you to pause this and go ahead and solve that and write down the main idea and your details. Then when you come back, we're going to do a reading piece and we're going to do a reflection. Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to read this nonfiction text, this true text that tells us all about honeybees. So I'll read it and I want you to read along with me. Have you ever seen a honeybee? If so, you may have kept your distance. Many people are scared of their stingers, but honeybees are not scary pests. In fact, they are actually very important insects. If you've seen a honeybee, think about where you saw it. You may have seen it by some flowers. Honeybees go from flower to flower. They collect nectar and pollen from flowers for food. They can use this to make honey to eat. This is the honey that people eat too. But honeybees aren't just important because of the honey they make. They're important because of how they help plants. When they go from flower to flower, they move the pollen from flower to flower too. This is called pollination. This is what lets plants grow new seeds. And those new seeds can grow into new plants. So without honeybees, lots of plants couldn't exist. Apples, nuts, and berries are just some of the plants that need honeybees to help them make new seeds. About 100 important crops in the USA depend on bees. Many people are worried because a lot of honeybees have been dying. Some people think that chemicals used on farms may be hurting them. Honeybees are also being hurt by diseases which we don't understand well yet. But people are working to find ways to save the bees. How would you like to help the bees? So now what you're going to do is go back into that text and take your own notes, okay? So this is going to be topics from that text, honeybees, or questions you might have. And then you're in column 2 over here, you're going to write details or answers to those questions. So a main topic might be honeybees dying. And then your important detail would be that some people think chemicals might be hurting bees. That's what you're going to do on that. So you're going to come up with 5. I want you to come up with 5. There's 2 sheets here, but as long as you do at least 5 main ideas or questions and then 5 details or answers. And that is all you have to do for today. Make sure that you are getting your work done every day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye, boys and girls.